Hi guys, today I'll give you a tour of Miraval Berkshires Resort and Spa in Lenox. Miraval has 3 hotels and this is the newest that was opened in July of 2020. Since we have been to the Miraval Arizona hotel, we know how the process works, so we had our lunch first before the kitchen closed at 2 p.m. The quality of the food is amazing. They are really fresh and healthy. The breakfast and the lunch menu are the same, except for the dinner. It's based on a 4-day rotation. The 2 nights that we stayed at the Miraval, I think we had the 2 best dinner menu selection. After lunch, we went to the route to grab some snacks, coffee, and then we head back to the front desk for our room keys. Our room is located at the Tranquility Cottage. Not the new one, but very convenient access to all the facilities. Let's take a look at what the rooms look like. We have booked a suite, so the only difference between a regular room is the extra living room and the extra toilet room. The amenity of the room are pretty much the same as the other Miraval hotels. Let's tour around the hotel a bit. This is the dining area where you go for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Next to the dining area is the route where you can grab a drink, snack, coffee, and relax. Before the gift shop, there's a hallway on your left hand side. That's where all the classes is taking place. Continue passing gift shop is where the spa is located. After touring of the spa, we head back to our room direction. That's where the gym is located. Because it was super cold out, we decided not to go out anywhere. So that's it. Thanks for watching.